Hey there everyone, I'm going to be doing a cold start video of my MTD Troy Bilt. It is currently underneath this cover. Uncover it here. There she is. She is one of the newer models. Has the 20 horse Kohler. If anyone has any ideas about how to get these 20 horse Kohlers to start better in the winter, please let me know. Send me a message. This one is, in my opinion, an absolute bitch to start in cold. It takes anywhere from 3 to 5 tries of cranking for about 5-10 seconds, stop, and crank again. I am running premium. In this country, premium's not that expensive unlike the US. Let's go see what temperature it is out here. Over there is my Massey Ferguson race tractor, has 9 horse Tecumseh, and underneath the yellow tarp is my 8 horse Craftsman POS. It currently is non-running. It turns over, but the throttle cable's busted. More to come on that one. I'm gonna fix it and get it running again. But that one there, she'll pop wheelies. She pops about 3 to 4 foot wheelies. She's torquer, but soon to be more racer. Let's go see the time, or temp. Sorry. Here's my thermometer. It is currently -3 to -5. The thermometer is a little off. For you in the States, that would be about 27, I imagine. So let's go do a cold start, 2 of them. And I'll show you my shop. Maybe next video. Let's see what the battery says on here. See that? 11.16. I only got 16 hours and 3 minutes on this. Let's do a full choke. Or, yep. That is no cold start. She is cold. Look at that. Only 3 tries. Almost 3 to 5. Idler down now. Oh, stalled it. I let it down too slow, or too quick. There, let's let it idle for a bit. As you can see, the headlights are on. I was hoping to get in the ILS 360's cold start contest, but just missed it. Brand new camera. That's mainly why I bought this camera. As can be seen on this, it is a 70s era Massey straight pipe with a small 4 to 8 horse Briggs muffler. That's it. Let's open up the hood. Here lies beneath. Snowblower Tecumseh 9-horse. She's choked. She's on. I have no battery. It's pull start currently. I'm working on getting on the electric because I do have a solenoid just right down in there somewhere. Stock motor was on 8-horse Briggs. I was doing the exhaust and I think some welding slide got down in it and got the motor stuck. But the motor's still okay, bottom end. Let's see what happens with this. For a snowblower engine, it's hard to start. Takes 3 to 5. Not sometimes more. Let's do the hood. Yeah, close up the hood. She's cold. Really cold. Look at that steam. Oops, too quick. That's good now. I'm hoping iOS 360 will do another contest soon. When he does, this one here will definitely be in it, and that one there if I get it going. It's got a battery. It just the throttle cable's broken, so I have to patch it. Obviously the Kohler will be as well. But this here had stock muffler right here in this area, and I did some welding on it and did this exhaust. This pipe here came off my motorbike, which will be seen next. Let's go in there and take a look at it in my 12x12 shop here, shed shop. Got the key out. I was in here earlier, so it shouldn't be frozen. There we go. There we go. Most likely the lights won't work. Oh, one does. That's not bad. Some random weed whackers. 2 run, 1 doesn't. One more is somewhere else. Here is my go-kart, what you can see of it, and my motorcycle. Over there is a Tory snowblower. In front of that is a electric start lawn boy, 2-stroke. Needs a Healy coil. And back there is a really old CCM, which will be getting the engine from the motorcycle because that mountain bike frame's not too good. And there is a old sump pump, which is going to become a parts washer, part of a parts washer I'm building. Underneath that is a 10-horse Tecumseh. It's going to become a generator very, very soon. If anyone's interested in a Honda 5-horse, got one. Get rid of it. It runs. Nothing wrong with it. Leaks a little bit of gas at the float, just needs a gasket. But I can do a running video of it. And then there's another Tecumseh right there. It does run. Carbon muffler's off right now, but it does run. As can be seen, it's very cold. Gotta bring in my drill. Okay, so that is the end of my video for now. Hopefully everyone enjoyed. Please subscribe. Much more to come. Thank you very much and goodbye.